Fantastic explanation, Mark. Thank you very much. I do have a couple questions that came in. The first question is, you were just talking about the carrier. Is Scarborough also able to arrange that LTL and FTL to the end user for our company?
Yeah, absolutely. So Scarborough has relationships with pretty much every nationwide carrier in every kind of method possible. So we have the ability to arrange transportation for all of those cases, ensure those pickups are met, and all of the compliances related to the pickups are met. And then provide back not only the bill of ladings and all of that information from the pickups, but the tracking information both directly to the supplier and directly to the end user as well.
Fantastic. I'm going to add to that as well. Scarborough also has a really great LTL pricing tool that is a smart pricing module. So you can enter your information and basically get in their 24/7 online portal and get several different carriers' rates. And you can kind of piggyback on some of our rates too, that we have excellent contracts with several different carriers. So definitely reach out to us if you want to take advantage of that. The next question that came in is asking if, and I'll take this one, if Scarborough can also handle the import transportation for any of the goods that need to go into the fulfillment center. And the question, or the answer is, of course we do. That's something that Scarborough prides itself on, is its U.S. customs brokerage and import transportation. We have multiple carrier contracts, as well as some really cool consolidation programs that really set us apart from other freight forwarders. So definitely talk to us about that if you're interested, and we will help walk you through that as well.